Register your appliance to receive product updates, better customer service, and warranty coverage. Locate your QR code on the model serial tag. Scan your QR code using the camera on your smartphone or tablet. Tap Register an Appliance. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Enter installation date or your home closing date in the installation date field. You may add another product or just continue to register your brand new dishwasher. Enter the address where your appliance is located and continue. Review your information, and if everything looks good, tap Submit Registration. Congratulations, your product is registered. Give me some paw, Cliff.